2008 Ford Explorer Sport Trac with the 4-liter V6 rear-wheel drive, and today we're going to be doing an oil change. Let's get to it. Over at our computer, you can see that this vehicle requires 5 quarts of 5W30 premium synthetic blend. And for this oil change, we're going to be using the CarQuest Romeo 85372 oil filter. Alright, underneath the vehicle, we've got our oil filter located right there, and our drain plug located right here. The drain plug is a 13 millimeter. While that's draining out, go ahead and check your gasket that's built into your drain plug. If it looks to be in good shape, feel free to reuse it. If not, replace your drain plug. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can't get this oil filter out of here. That's on tight. Love when they do that for no freaking reason. God bless it. It does not need to be like that ever. Hand tight. That's all you have to put these down. Hand tight. Once that's broken loose, give it a good spin. Let that oil start draining out. And once it's done draining, remove the filter. Go ahead and check the housing ring right there. Make sure that the old O-ring came off with the old oil filter. So that way when you install your new oil filter, you don't get a double gasket. Go ahead and grab some of that old motor oil and lube up our O-ring on our new oil filter and install. And once you get that down, just clean some of the oil off of that filter from my hand, so that way I can actually get a grip on it. And once you got that filter down, go ahead and put it down hand tight. That's it. No tools needed. That's it. Done. With our oil finished draining, go ahead and put our drain plug back in. Grab our 13 millimeter and spin it until we get resistance. Right about right there. and give it a good hit. And that's it. With everything buttoned up underneath, come in here with some brake clean and spray off your drain plug and oil filter area. Make sure that they are clean and clear, so that way if you're working on this vehicle in the future and you see oil in those two locations, you know that you have a possible oil leak and not that you just left a mess during your last oil change. Alright, back up top side. We got our oil cap right here. Good Lord, that's awesome on tight. Might check that O-ring right here. If yours is on tight like that, spray it down with a little bit of that engine oil or some WD-40 maybe, just something to get that lubed up, because you don't want that thing getting stuck in there, breaking off, because if that breaks off, it might go in here. We don't want that. Anyway, go ahead and add your engine oil, put your oil cap back on tight. And this vehicle does not have an oil life or maintenance light that needs to be reset. The 2008 model, I'm kind of surprised it doesn't have one, honestly. It either didn't have it, or this is just a kind of like a basic model, so it might not come with that option. So if your vehicle looks like that and you just have the standard buttons up here and there's nothing really to reset, make sure you have your windshield sticker installed, recording the time and the mileage that you just did your oil change on. But other than that, you just changed your oil. I knew you could do it. I didn't doubt it for a second. Glad to see more videos on this vehicle. Check out that one next. I made that one just for you. Other than that, this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see y'all next time.